yesterday, guys, was playing, and I know I was so terrible to get this one but I'm gonna start with what happened last night. Last night, 6 o'clock, we went to my school, and guess what? We got into our costumes because guess what? We had a musical. And the musical was EIEIOOPS. If you heard of it, it's about the cow that won't move, and there's crazy pigs and these lost sheep and these cute chicks. I was a cute chick, which was really embarrassing. Okay, let's go say hi to my puppy. Come here, babe. I know. This is babe, my puppy. Hi, babe. Say hi, babe. Anyway, but it was embarrassing, and I'm gonna give you a little bit of what it sounded like, because we put up a video on Facebook, and it was really embarrassing. So, here is the sound. Look at this loading. I hope you can hear that. It's embarrassing. Sorry if you can't see it, but I'm recording on my webcam right now. Okay, that was the end of that, but it was really embarrassing. But my favorite song that we were singing was probably Ham It Up because I really wanted to be a squeak, but I wanted to be a chick, and yeah. So, but updates. I'll be holding a contest later. Sorry if my stupid cat contest was messed up and my other contest, but right now, if you want to Skype, if you're on right now, if you want to Skype, I'm on Skype right now, chatting with Ina. I also have Hey Jenna and Hey Nice Team. And yeah, but I'm gonna tell you what's on my profile. My picture is this, and not, well, kind of. And Skype name is misssisneros, email malaysia@ymail.com, and my thing is Volleyball country is Canada. City is menu, time 10:37 a.m. My computer's gender female, birthday August 31st, language English, about me Canadian, French American. So yeah, but yeah, updates to more right now.